Hello everyone, my name is E. Sai Kumar. I am from ECEC section. My topic is in-memory computing advances and prospects. First, what is in-memory computing? In-memory computing is the storage of information in the main random access memory RAM of dedicated servers rather than in complicated relational databases operating on comparatively slow disk drives. Rise of in-memory computing. What is in-memory computing? Traditional 64-bit processor can address up to 16 exabytes of data, and in-memory enables software is available and proven. Two phases of in-memory computing. In-memory computing consists of two phases. One is hardware innovations and another is software innovations. Where is it used? In-memory computing helps business customers, including retailers, banks, and utilities, to quickly detect patterns, analyze massive data volumes on the fly, and perform their operations quickly. The drop in memory prices in the present market is a major factor contributing to the increasing popularity of in-memory computing technology. This has made in-memory computing economically among a wide variety of applications. In-memory computing in the industries. Some companies have already adopted IMC concepts. Social network track.com was architected under the assumption that it will always retrieve data from the memory tier. SAP HANA only addresses a non-volatile memory. Oracle is making a similar shift with Exadata, now combining DRAM and flash into a memory tier. To SAP and Oracle, the Rubicon has been crossed. In tests, HANA has processed 1,000 times more data in half the times that the conventional databases. In-memory computing will usher in an entirely new programming model and utilities, ultimately a new business model for software companies. Memory first versus disk first. Memory first architecture. Memory is primary storage, disk for backups. Reading record, API call, pointer arithmetic. Latency nanoseconds. Disk first architecture is disk key is as prime storage and memory for caching. Reading record, API call, OS, I by O, 1 by O controller disk. Latency milliseconds. Bring computations to data. Client servers, J2EE SMP. Data is moved to application for processing, reading data not partitioned and stored in central regions. Data sizes are relatively small, technically impossible to distribute computations into central RBDMs. In-memory computing hand do. Computations are moved to data. Data is partitioned and stored in distributed systems. Data overall sizes are massive. In-case memory use cases, real-time risk analytics, able to grow book of business while reducing latency, railroad logistics, able to ingest and process sensor data for instant logistics, energy generation, able to decide on trade versus generate in real time as demand spikes, oil and gas drilling, able to provide real-time safety monitoring during fracking. Architecture in memory computing. Advances in hardware, multi-core architecture, parallel scaling across blades, and 64-bit address space, and cost performance ratio rapidly declining. And advantages of in-memory computing. Some of the advantages of in-memory computing include the ability to catch countless amounts of data constantly. This ensures extremely fast response times for search. The ability to store session data, allowing for the customization of live sessions and ensuring optimum website performance. The ability to process events for improved complex event processing. In-memory databases (IMDb). An in-memory database (IMDb) is a database management system that primarily depends on main memory for storing computer data. IMDBs are quicker than disk optimized databases because they carry out fewer CPU instructions and their internal optimization algorithms are much simpler. IMDBs are mainly used in applications where response time is crucial, such as telecommunication networks, devices, and mobile ad networks. The advantages of IMDBs are as follows: faster transactions, smooth translation, multi-user concurrency, stability. Use of IMDB. IMDB is used for developing embedded software systems like commercial off-the-shelf COTS codes, embedded operating systems, application in medical devices, intelligent connected devices, commercially communication products and transport system, network switches, routers and set-top boxes, etc. Fulfilling the requirements of web self-service and e-commerce applications. Managing all real-time rating, subscriber billing and balance information. SAP HANA. SAP HANA is an application that uses in-memory database technology that allows the processing of massive amounts of real-time data in a short time. The in-memory computing engine allows HANA to process data stored in RAM as opposed to reading it from a disk. This allows the application to provide instantaneous results from customer transactions and data analysis. HANA stands for High Performance Analytic Appliance. Overview of SAP HANA: data modeling and math libraries, text retrieval and exploration, scripting, application server, predictive analytics, R integration, column and row store. In-memory computing in BI. Business demanding faster and easy access to information in order to make reliable, smart decisions. Modern computers have more available disk storage than RAM, but reading data from the disk is much slower when compared to reading the same data from RAM. RDBMS are designed keeping transactional processing in mind. Having a database that supports both insertions, updates, as well as performing aggregations joins is not possible. Also, the SQL is designed to efficiently fetch rows of data while BI queries usually involve fetching of partial rows of data involving heavy calculations. How much IMC has changed BI? The arrival of IMC stored similar information together allowed storing storing data more efficiently and with greater compression. This in turn allowed to store huge amounts of data in the same physical space, which in turn reduced the amount of memory needed to perform a query and increased the processing speed. Most in-memory tools use compression algorithms which reduce the size of in-memory data than what would be needed for the hard disk. Users query the data loaded into the system's memory, thereby avoiding slower database access and performance bottlenecks. Within memory tools, data available for analysis can be a large as data mart or small data warehouse which is entirely in memory. And thank you.